of the world, India, Tamil Nadu and God, universe. I want to share a fact that politicians need awareness of the lives of the planet and the universe and the God. Because these flags, these flag sticks and poles like things fall due to wind blows, winds. You can see this flag stick is lying there because of a severe wind. Also they have planted these flags near roads as obstructions for driving vehicles, leading to death of the people. This is why people hate politics. You can hear the wind sounds. You can see, so visually you can see the wind is, the flags are moving because of wind. It's a DMK flag. The black above, black in the top, on the red in the second color. Mr. Periyarpan, Tirupattur Togudi, Tirupattur constituency, I think. I don't know about lot about politics. Mr. Periyarpan, Mr. Udayani Stalin, Deputy CM Tamil Nadu, Mr. M.K. Stalin or M.K. Stalin, son of Mr. K. Karunanidhi, and current sitting CM of Tamil Nadu. DMK party, Dravida Munnetra Kalagam. They are killing the people of India and literally the world and the God and the universe too. Thank you. You can see the severe movement of flags due to wind. That side also they have planted the flags. That vehicles are drivers are uneasy to drive the vehicles. A lot of flags have been planted to kill the people on the other lives. A lot of illegal activities are also done by the political people in India. Thank you.